Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here, and I am so excited because I was inspired this week and I did 3 Easter kits and I love them. And I warn you, they are colourful and eclectic and probably represents how I am at the moment. Even in my stitching, it's all a bit clashy and eclectic. So, or in my opinion, so these are the kits that you're getting. And I absolutely love them and I can't wait to use them. So this is kit number 7. It's horizontal. I did 2 horizontal ones and 1 vertical one because I've only got 1 vertical one at the moment previously. So now there's 2. So that makes it even better. So each one has 8 pages as usual. I've used a variety of things, some of my own antique wallpapers, and I have some antique fabrics that are from the 17 and 1800s, so there's bits of those in there. That's one of them. That's one of my antique documents over the top. I used a whole variety, and then some things from the public domain as well. So I told you they are very colourful and I love them. I'm very excited about them. So this is kit number 7. Absolutely love it. That's an antique lace pattern piece that I bought. Bit of wallpaper, one of my old trims. This one's a bit quieter, shall we say. Still colourful, but quieter. And then that one. And that's it for kit number 7. And then there is kit number 8, which is also horizontal. And same thing. Some of my old papers, wallpapers, fabrics, embroideries, documents. Excuse me, I'm feeling like a little cough. I just love them. Super cute little bunnies. So they're kind of springtime. Some a bit more Eastery and others are a bit more naturey, springtimey sort of ones. Of course, that one that has eggs, that's I have that card. It's on one of my old pages with ephemera. Oh, just love that page. Super busy and I love it. And of course I have ordered them in fabric and I cannot wait to see those either. Love that. There's so much going on there, but I just think that is really, it's really the bomb. Look at that, just beautiful. Well, in my opinion, that's my opinion. And this one, so I feel like a close-up of some of the flowers and then the little image in the garden. Love that. That bunny is so cute. Excuse me. And then this is my vertical kit. So they go that way. So, of course, the busyness of the pages also tones down as you fold them in half. So this one here. And they kind of coordinate with the other ones because, of course, I've used some elements. I haven't put them together the same way, but they do use some of the elements from that I used in the other kits. Love that. That's right. Oh, isn't that pretty? I hadn't folded that one yet. I like to fold them to see. That's from one of my antique scrapbooking things. This page. This, again, I'm like, it's kind of quieter, but not really. Lots of layers in these kits. Love them folded. That also is from my vintage collection. Oh, love that. The busier they get, the more I like them. And then you fold it in half and look how pretty that is. And then that there. Lots of stuff to play with too if you're doing embroidery. But the fabrics won't come until late next week or early the week after. Isn't that pretty? Sorry, I'm just enjoying folding them over. This one was super busy, but I love it. Absolutely love that pattern there. That's really pretty. And then lots of layering of my documents and things. And then when you fold it over, look how pretty that is. And there. And this might be one of my favorites. It's super bright, lots of things happening. And I just thought it's just joyous. And Steph created these beautiful borders, and we have them in like in a file, and then I can just choose which ones. And I hadn't seen that one before. He must have used it somewhere, and I think it's beautiful. So I need to use that more often. I really don't know why I'm coughing. So those are my new kits. This is number 9, 7, and 8. Can you believe that many Easter kits? And I still love every single one of them. I really do. So that means lots of things need to be made so I get to play with them all. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.